So it's got the rust exhaust manifold, Caterpillar's painted white on the valve cover. This one looks more original and not rusty. And the starter is black, so that means the starter's been replaced at least once.
Well, I took them off and rebuilt them in Charleston about 4 years ago.
Okay, and
Not really a serious rebuild. I just put new brushes in.
right, and that's easy to do. Now this one's still got some white paint on it over here. So maybe that one on the port engine was done more recently.
Well, actually, there was nothing wrong with either one of them at the time. The problem was all in the solenoid, so I put 2 new solenoids on, and I have.
That's a cheap repair.
One of the few spares that I carry are the new solenoids.
Now, what is this pump here? Prime time?
Yes, that's the raw water for the small generator.
Okay, for this little generator over here, the Northern Lights. Okay, let me crawl around there and look at the exhaust manifold outboard side of this cat.
Okay.
Get at least half of me over there. And we've got a pretty rusty exhaust 9090 right here.
I can't remember. Yeah, maybe that one was replaced as well. I don't
Okay, because it's got some pitting on it, and I'm afraid to touch it because I might do some harm to it. Okay, and then we've got the diver outside. That's what all that noise is.
Right.